Hello, greeting from the founder and director of the Pacific Violin Academy. My name is Zhou Hong. As a violinist educator, I have helped many young students for decades to understand classical and many styles of ethnic music and its values in humanities. First, improve mental focus and coordination of muscles and mind. Second, improve cognitive function. Third, improve memory retention. Fourth, understand music expression and its social context. Fifth, develop endurance and self-awareness and control. Sixth, learn to be goal-oriented and self-driven. It is my utmost pleasure to see my students grow to achieve their potential and express their talents. Thank you for your attention.